Making another movie review here. This one is Men in Black International, the newest in the Men in Blacks. I have no idea which number it is. I don't really pay too much attention to the Men in Black movies. I liked the first one a lot, and then I started to like them less as they went on. But this one got me interested again. I like the girl. It's mostly focused on the girl, and she's a new agent, and follows her around, and this other guy's in there. So I don't know. I don't watch the movies enough to know if people that are true Men in Black fans are going to like this one or not. This lady's not so good. This guy's kind of a jerk. I didn't see the little dog in it, but she's pretty cool. And I would say this thing, I put this in here because this guy's got mushrooms on his face. I don't even remember seeing him in the movie. I'd say it's a little weak with the aliens and stuff. You'd think they could do better in 2019. But as far as just an interesting take on the concept, having a little fun with it, and then it's in Europe, so what are you going to do? The guns are all stupid. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 millimeters. Let us know in the comments what you think. I want to thank our Patreons for giving us the time to play with fun projects like this one, but more importantly, our Second Amendment projects and our community building. That's what we're here for. These fun projects, taking a look at some movies and stuff, is just a little extra. Let us know in the comments what you think, and as always, thanks for watching.